step's gonna be pull this off of here. A couple screws. Pop that off. A couple more screws. So we got 2 more screws hidden under here. And this is the cover here. So with a little pulling on this thing, you can actually get this whole piece off of here. Three screws right here to the connector all inside. Get it out the way. Another screw right here. Another screw right here. Another screw right here. Right on the line, man. Alright, so this thing just pulls up out of here like this. We got 2 screws for the button. So if you look, they don't give you a plug for this thing. You actually got to de-pin it. So we're going to have to de-pin this out of this connector. Repin the new one in. So first step you're going to want to do is pull this connector lock out of here. And let it fly across the shop. Then you find the 2 pins you're looking for, black and white. I usually do them one at a time, but just reach in here, lift that little connector up, and then they'll pull that pin right out of there. So I usually do one at a time. I'll do one black, get that one done, and the white one down there. What I'm lifting up in here is I'm lifting up this little pin. This guy right here. You pull it up, you can pull that pin out. Get that out of there. And I'm a genius, so I gotta put this back through here now. Alright, so I got it back the correct way now. Put the wires through here. And put my last pin in here. Put your lock back in there. It only goes in one way, so. And there you go. Put everything back together. Should be good to go.